We scooch again on the chair to the front. This is our dancing position because here we have a space to move. And today we go back to one song that I really like. It's called Stay Strong. Stay strong, yes. So the sequence is is simple. So we repeat it like 1 million times. And it is one arm to the front, the other arm to the front with the palms facing down. Then a big circle, a big sun circle, loving circle. Good. And this we repeat like this. And stay strong is like Popeye. Popeye. Stay strong. Make a fist. This is for the strength of your grip. So use this opportunity to really make fists. Okay? And then it says, take a stand. Again, is like this. Take a stand. Say a prayer. So imagine you are saying your prayer out of your mouth. So, and say a prayer with a lean. Say a prayer. And then stay strong. Again. And keep your faith alive, whatever it is. It is like this, a side bending. Keep your faith alive. And then we start again, ta-da, da-da, da-da, da, like a million times. And at the end, we have some tapping for our circulation. Ta-ta-tang, ta-ta. Really tap. And then we have the Charleston, as we did at the beginning, like the butterfly, but moving the arms also, if you like, crossing. And that's it. You know, right? You remember, right? I don't need to cue. Okay, let's give it a try. So, finding the rhythm. I love this song. Dun, 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 and we start.
May the grace of God bless man.
Big
Every
circle.
woman in this land.
Stay strong. Keep your faith alive. Again.
Whatever comes to meet us, know the darkness won't defeat us.
Stay strong.
Stay strong. Keep your faith alive.
Again.
Some say the end is coming.
Set our souls around. But I say,
Stay strong.
Keep your faith alive.
Side bend. Again.
Let's all come together. Take care
Big
of each
love
other.
circle. Stay strong.
Keep your faith alive.
Now throw your hands in the air to the right. Other side. Stay strong. Keep your faith alive. Side bend.
Take a stand.
Take a stand. Say a prayer. Stay strong. Keep your faith alive. And we start again.
Hands side by side, with arms open wide.
Stay strong. Keep your faith alive.
Help us find a way.
Big circle. Stay strong. Keep your faith alive.
Raise your hand.
Arms to the air. Other side. Stay strong. Keep your faith alive.
Take a stand.
Take a stand.
Say a prayer.
Say You can also tap to the, we change arms, massaging, change. We go down to the right leg. And we come back up. And we change sides. Yes. And back to center, knee together. And open. And you can add the arms. And now feet together, the opposite. And we throw the arms in the air. Right, left. Stay strong, keep your faith alive. Take a step, say a prayer. Stay strong, keep your faith alive. Stay strong, keep your faith alive. One more. Stay strong, keep your faith alive. One more. Stay strong, and
Your
slow.
feet alive.
Ooh, well done. And let's take a rest. So lean back, open your legs, take a sip of water, place your hands on your thighs. Keep your spine long. You can close your eyes for a moment and just now catching the breath. It means we inhale through the nose, we exhale through the nose or through the mouth. Becoming aware again of our breath. Letting the breath naturally slow down. We don't need to change anything, we just breathe in and out. Letting the body recover. In through the nose and out through the nose or through the mouth. And then we open the eyes little by little.